Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. A nice algebra math simplification problem. 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x equal to 225. X equal to, you have to find the value of x. So let's start. 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x equal to 225. Now take here common 5 raised to power x in bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 225. Now 5 raised to power x into 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, equal to 225. Now divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. 5 raised to power x into 3 by 3 divided by 3. 225 divided by 3. 3 will be cancelled. Here 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. 5 raised to power x equal to 75. Now taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Log of 5 raised to power x equal to log of 75. We can write here x log of 5 equal to log of 75. Here we have used one formula, that is log of a raised to power m equal to m log of a. This formula we have used here. Now divide both sides by log of 5. Log of 5 log of 5. Here log 5 cancel. We get here x equal to log of 75. We can write 3 multiply 5 15. 3 multiply 25, sorry, 3 multiply 25 divided by log of 5. X equal to log of 3 plus log of 5 divided by log of 5. Here we have used one formula, that is log of a into b equal to log of a plus log of b. Log of a plus log of b. Now here separate the denominator. Log of 3 divided by log of 5 plus log of 5 divided by log of 5. Here 25 is a 5 square. 5 square. 25 is a 5 square. Then here 2 will come. So log of 5 will be cancelled. X equal to log of 3 to the base 5 plus 2. Then x equal to this, we can write log of a upon log of b equal to log of a to the base b. So this formula we have applied here. Now we can write here 2 plus log of 3 to the base 5. This is the value of x. Now let's verify. Five raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x equal to 225. Take common 5 raised to power x. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 225. Here 5 raised to power x. 1 plus 1, that is 3, equal to 225. 5 raised to power x into 3 equal to 225. Value of x, just we have find 2 plus log of 3 to the base 5. Now put this value in place of x and verify that LHS is equal to RHS. 5 raised to power 2 plus log of 3 to the base 5 equal to 225. Now 5 raised to power 2, 5 square into 5 raised to power log of 3 to the base 5 into 3. Here also we have tried this into 3 equal to 225. Now here we can write log of 5. Here we can write log of b. Log of b, here a to the base b equal to, we write a. So here also, here we can write 5 square is 25 into, here base is same, so this will be answer. Here b same, so answer is a. So here we can write 3 into 3 equal to 225. So 25 3s are 75, 75 3s are 225 equal to 225. LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified LHS equal to RHS. Thanks for watching the whole video. Value of x equal to 2 plus log of 3 to the base 5. This is the value of x. Subscribe the channel. Share with your friends.